Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine. Today, we are going to talk about the second lesson of your book, Anit Sakal. The name of your chapter is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. This is a story and it is a folk tale. We can say that it is a folk tale. So, before talking about the chapter, first of all, I would like to share with you what is folk tale. कि folk tale होता क्या है? What is a folk tale? A folk tale is a story or a belief passed on traditionally, especially one considered to be false or based on superstitions. It is a story or a belief. ये एक ऐसी कहानी या कह सकते हैं एक ऐसा विश्वास होता है जो परंपराओं से हमारे पास या सदियों से हम एक पीढ़ी जो है वो दूसरी पीढ़ी को सुनाती आ रही है और एक तरह से ये अंधविश्वास भी होता है. सो वी कैन से दैट द स्टोरीज विच आर टोल्ड टू अस बाय आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आर कॉल्ड फोक टेल्स. जो हमारे दादी या दादाजी या मतलब नाना नानी वगैरह जो हमें कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं वो फोक टेल्स कही जाती हैं. सो दिस स्टोरी इज़ ऑल्सो अ फोक टेल एंड दिस स्टोरी इज़ अबाउट अ डॉग. Here is a dog. The dog, we can say that the dogs basically they are their own servants. They don't serve anyone. They are their own servants like other wild animals. But one day a dog is does not want to be he is he does not want to live a life like this. He does not like moving here and there with for food. He does not love this type of life. So this is a story about that dog. So before start the chapter, we will read. You may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. आप जानते होंगे that the dog and the wolf are closely related. दिखने में तो कुत्ता और भेड़िया ये दोनों एक जैसे ही दिखते हैं. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. You may also know something. आप इस बारे में भी जानते होंगे that about how over the centuries कि कैसे शताब्दियों से human beings have domesticated मनुष्य जो है वो घर पालतू बनाते आ रहे हैं वाइल्ड एनिमल्स जंगली जानवरों को. ठीक है. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. और ये एक कहानी है कि कैसे एक कुत्ता एक पालतू जानवर बना. So the name of your chapter is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. कैसे कुत्ते ने खुद के लिए एक नया मालिक ढूंढा. So now we read the chapter. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in freedom. The dogs were their own masters. वो खुद अपने मालिक हुआ करते थे and lived the way the wolves do. और उसी तरह से रहते थे जैसे कि भेड़िए रहा करते हैं in freedom स्वतंत्र. Until a dog was born who was ill pleased. जब तक कि कुत्ता जो कि पैदा हुआ था who was ill pleased with the way of his life. Who is not happy with the way of his life, with the way of the life he was living. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. He was sick. He was sick. He was ill and tired of wandering. He does not want to wander here and there about by himself looking for food. वो खुद के खाने की तलाश के लिए इधर उधर घूमना उसे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था. And being frightened of those who were stronger than he. And he being frightened of those who were stronger, and he was sick of remaining frightened by those who were stronger than he. और वो उन लोगों के से डरा हुआ था जो उनसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर थे. He thought it over. So he thought about this problem. उसने इस बारे में सोचा and decided और ये निश्चय किया that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one. कि उसके लिए सबसे अच्छी चीज़ होगी to become the servant of one, कि वो किसी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति का सेवा दे who was stronger than anyone on earth, जो कि उस व्यक्ति से कहीं ज़्यादा ताकतवर हो जो कि पृथ्वी पर होता है. And he set out to find such a master. And he went to find such a master. और वो एक ऐसे मालिक की तलाश में निकल पड़ता है. He walked and he met a kinsman of his. वो चलता है, आगे बढ़ता है. And he met, और वो मिलता है a kinsman of his, अपने ही एक रिश्तेदार से. A big wolf, जो कि एक बड़ा भेड़िया होता है. Who was as strong as he was fierce, जो उतना ही ज़्यादा ताकतवर भी होता है. As he was fierce, जितना ज़्यादा वो डरावना होता है, भयानक होता है, उतना ही ज़्यादा वो ताकतवर भी होता है. Where are you going, dog? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो कुत्ते? The wolf asked. The wolf asked the dog, where are you going? तो जो भेड़िया है वो कुत्ते से पूछता है तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? I am looking for someone to take up service with. I am looking for someone. मैं किसी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति की तलाश में हूँ to take up service with, जिसे मैं अपनी सेवाएं दे सकूँ. Would you like to be my master, wolf? क्या आप मेरे मालिक बनना चाहेंगे, wolf? So here, dog asked the wolf, would he like to be his master? कुत्ता भेड़िए से पूछता है कि क्या आप मेरे मालिक बनना चाहेंगे? I don't see why not, the wolf said. So the wolf replied, why not? Why wouldn't I? भेड़िया उसे रिप्लाई देता है मैं ऐसा क्यों नहीं करूँगा. Yes, definitely I. And this agreed upon, और वो इस बात पे सहमत हो जाता है. The two of them went on together, और फिर वो दोनों साथ में आगे बढ़ते हैं. They walked and they walked, और वे आगे बढ़ते हैं और धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते हैं. And all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, and suddenly the wolf sniffed something. He smelled something and darted quickly off the path, and he suddenly moved to the path into the bushes, and he hid himself into the bushes. They walked and walked, और फिर वो साथ साथ आगे बढ़ रहे होते हैं. And all of a sudden, और तभी अचानक, the wolf lifted his nose, भेड़िया अपनी नाक ऊंची उठाता है. Sniffed, कुछ सूंघता है. Darted quickly off the path, और फिर वो जल्दी से रास्ते से हटकर and into the bushes, और झाड़ियों में छिप जाता है. And crept deeper into the forest, और गहरे जंगल में crept रेंग कर छिप जाता है. The dog was much surprised, and the dog was astonished on this reaction of the wolf. और जो कुत्ता है वो सरप्राइज हो जाता है भेड़िए के इस काम करने से वो आश्चर्यचकित रह जाता है. So when the wolf and the dog are walking on their path, suddenly wolf smelled something and hid himself behind the bushes, and the dog was surprised on the sudden action of this wolf. What's come over you, master? आपको अचानक क्या हुआ मालिक? He asked. वो पूछता है. What has frightened you so? आप किससे इतना ज़्यादा डर गए हैं? So the wolf replied, Can't you see there is a bear out there? क्या तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं देता वहाँ एक भालू है? And he might eat up both of us, you and might. और वो तुम्हें और मुझे हम दोनों को खा सकता है. So here the wolf told the dog that there is a bear over there and he was stronger than the wolf. So he was afraid of the bear. Wolf was afraid of the bear. Seeing